Welcome back to the Morning Blend. Today, if you are not loving your legs, don't sweat it. Our next guest has treatments to fix everything from varicose veins and saddlebags to inner thigh bulges and even fat knees. How about that? Dr. Deborah Manjoney is the medical director of the Wisconsin Vein Center Medispa, and she says you can leave the legwork to them. I like that.
Yes.
This is kind of a good time to talk about legs.
It really is, because there's so many things that you can get done now in preparation for spring and summer.
And I think that's the key, is don't wait until you're in the shorts. Do it in advance.
Well, we can do it any time of the year, but if you really want to plan ahead, you're going to be ready from the beginning of our short, wonderful season of the year.
Yes, it is short. So let's talk about some of the things that you do, starting with varicose veins, because a lot of things you do are not superficial, but cosmetic.
Right.
Varicose veins, though, can be a serious health issue.
They really can be. You know, varicose veins can cause a lot of symptoms. They can cause aching in the legs, swelling, leg cramps at night. And so, you know, we do tell people if you have symptoms, come in. Even if the varicose veins aren't particularly bothering you in appearance, we can make your legs feel a lot better. And that's really the most important thing. And so, but in addition, everything we do is minimally invasive, meaning nothing more than needle punctures. And so it heals up basically no scarring. And so people get back to normal activities right away, really within the first day or so. And then they really have nothing to worry about as far as the recovery. It's pretty easy to go through, and you're back to normal activities, and the scars disappear because they're just needle punctures.
And here's the thing people need to know is very often health insurance covers the treatment of varicose veins.
Yes,
and it can be done in office now.
It's all done in
without
office.
the stripping that used to be done.
Right.
So there's no reason to live with varicose veins.
These are really good procedures to be done. An hour and 15 minutes. You're in and out of the office and on your way to feeling way better.
People often ask me about you because you've been on the show for such a long time. And one of the things I tell people is that your practice truly is based on honest, ethical care. And
I really try to do that. You know,
that makes a difference.
You know, we'll see people and we do ultrasounds to evaluate venous disease, for instance, and we will tell people, no, it's really not severe enough for you to worry about doing anything right now. And we're honest with them about that. We'll do what's needed, not just treat everything that we see where there's an abnormality. We'll treat what we know is causing the symptoms. And so that's something that we pride ourselves on. And we also don't like to overdo anything. And so, you know, even for all our cosmetic procedures, we try to make people look natural. But legs are a great way to, you know, make yourself feel happy.
Well, yeah, and spider veins are something that, while that might not be a medical issue, they certainly bother people, the appearance of them.
They do. And I know when I first had spider veins, I said, who do I go to? What do I do? And so you can come to us. We can take care of them very well. We do a double injury technique where we use a little surface pinpoint laser, and we also do the injection of the irritant into the veins to go away. It's a process. This takes 2 or 3 treatments to get rid of spider veins, but it works very, very well.
You also treat cellulite, saddlebags, even chunky knees, which a lot of people have, and especially as we age, you start to notice those things. And cool sculpting can come in handy even with legs, because people think about it in the abdominal area.
But cool sculpting for people who have saddlebags, and a lot of times it's genetic, or for the inner legs where there's excess fat. Now these are legs where, you know, the distance is the same apart for the feet, the way we measure it, but it really works very well. Cool sculpting works great for reducing either the inner fatty thigh or the outer saddlebag. And we also have applicators that can be used right around the knees. So when people have, like, you know, just that fat area around their knees, if they don't have beautiful legs, we can certainly improve it by using cool sculpting to do these things.
I like that. My favorite thing, I think, well, one of my favorites is, by the way, laser hair removal. I've been talking about it so much lately. You got to do that.
I did hear you the other day.
You did?
Yes.
Because I tell people, I used to say, oh, 7 years I haven't shaved my legs. It's got to be more like 10 years now. But honestly, it's a wonderful gift, I think, to give the woman in your life, too. I think about it when my daughters get, you know, out of college. That would be my gift to them.
That's right.
Because it's wonderful.
It is money saving. In the long run, you save a huge amount of money by not buying all those shaving.
Waxing,
That's right.
Yeah, it's great.
And it is great. You can't talk about legs without saying laser hair removal. If you've got dark enough hair on your legs, the laser will work. Get it done.
Yeah, for sure. It's permanent and it's wonderful. AFT is my favorite treatment, and I use it on my face.
Exactly.
I didn't know you could do something on the legs.
We can use it anywhere on the body. And so where people have sun damage and, you know, the skin tone is not even. This is an arm, but people get freckling and a lot of discoloration and red marks on their legs. AFT works beautifully. It's intense pulse light. It takes a little longer to get rid of the darkness once we do it on the legs, about 6 weeks till it's totally gone. But often just one treatment will make a massive difference in how the legs look, really rejuvenate the look of the legs.
Yeah, that's wonderful. And again, laser hair removal, you will not regret it. It's money saving, it's time saving, it's fantastic. Call and get so that you can be loving your legs. Call the Wisconsin Vein Center Medispa. They're located on Georgetown Drive in Pewaukee. Here's the number to call for an appointment. They also do free consultations, skincare consultations. It's 262-746-9088, or you can go to wimedispa.com. Always great to see you. Have a wonderful weekend.
You too, Molly.
Thank you.